Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about deletion operation from an array. Deletion from an array. Deletion means, for example, your array have certain elements and you want to remove one element from the existing array. If the element has to be deleted from the end of the existing array, then deletion is quite simple. Like insertion. In insertion, because we were adding some elements, so we add to the upper bound. In deletion, we are removing, so we will subtract from the upper bound, and that's it. Consider an array whose elements are arranged in ascending order. If an element have to be deleted from somewhere middle in the array. So first we have to find the location of the element from where it has to be deleted. Find means, like for example, let's say this is my array. Okay, so let's say we have to delete this element. So first we have to reach up to this position and then we will perform the operation. So what we will do, we will in insertion, what we have done, we have moved one position towards left, move to one position towards right. But in deletion, what we will do, we will move one position towards left. So what we have to do, we will start from the n and then we will start from this position, we will reach up to n and we will keep on moving this side. So let's check how this deletion operation is to be done in an array. So this is a program, just a minute. This is a program of deletion, how to delete an element. So let me erase this. Here what we have done, I declared an array of size 10, then as usual I n position. Then we insert some element to the array and then we displayed this array. And then enter the position at which you want to delete the element. So let's say my position is 5. So now let's say this is my array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So instead of A0 I am writing here 0. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And let's say I want to delete, my position is 3. So I want to delete from this position whatever value is stored here. So let's say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So I want to delete from this position. So what I do, I will start from this position. I will go up to n at the last position. Ai is equal to ai plus 1. It means 10 will move here, 12 move here, 14 will move here. And then we did n minus minus because we deleted this position, because we deleted whatever is stored now here. And then we displayed element of array. So let's write a program how to delete from an array. So let's say same, I declare an array A of size 10 here, and simple, here we will number of elements, position and which element you want to insert. So let's input the element of array first. Cout, enter number of elements in array. For int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Just C in n. Similarly we can simply in A of I. Similarly we can display the array. So let's write here cout array elements are okay. just move write a line just to make a difference. End line, and let's print the array and see out ai, a of I, end line. And now here input the position from which you want to delete the element. Input the position from which you want to delete the element. End line, and it is seen position. Okay, so we need only position because it is deletion, we are not inserting. When we insert, then we need the number also which we want to insert, but because this is only deletion, so it is only element is value is also already stored, we want to simply delete the value stored. So for I is equal to, for int I is equal to position, I less than size, I plus plus. So here because we don't have size, we have n, and a of I is equal to a of I plus 1. And because we are removing one element, so it means now when we will have one less element, so n minus minus, and then we can again display the array. So let's run this program. There is some problem. Uninitialized local variable n, or just a minute. Okay, we didn't input n here. Enter the number of elements in array, so we should write c in n. Sorry, and let's run it. So let's say we have 5 elements. So elements are 2, 3, 3, 6 and 5, and let's say we have to delete from second position. So now it becomes 2, 3, 6 and 5 because second position is this one. 1, 3 has been deleted. Now here may be the case that position is not given but the value is given. Then what we will do? First we will search for that value, the position for that particular value. So let's say input the value of element which you want to delete. Input the, just a minute. So we will write a separate program for searching also. So this is about how to delete elements from an array. Thank you.